Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, The Stock Analyst. Another video on Ethereum Classic, ticker symbol ETC. So I made few videos on ETC and this is another video because I think this is a very good time to show you the support resistance and should you get in before the breakout. And why I'm talking breakout, I will show you. But if you're holding Ethereum around $20-30, congratulations, because you can see once we break the $50 resistance, which was the resistance here, once we broke the $50 resistance, then it was a parabolic run. We went all the way around 176, 3 times gain, then with time we are coming down. But what do you think? Is it the end, pump and dump, or it is consolidating and it will run up again? So this is why I'm making the video, because I want to show you the price action, support, resistance, and why I'm bullish, and another important article, and also at the very end the price target for Ethereum Classic. So stay tuned till the very end. And if you find this video useful, please do not forget to hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. So first of all, let's see. Okay, so we can see how the things are happening, right? So the bottom is around $70-80 because it was a resistance before, then it became a support, it went up, now it bounced up that 80 few times, again it was trying to go up and coming down. But the good thing and the bad thing, whatever you can interpret, that each time it tries to go up but it is not going up than the previous run, so it is making lower highs. So which is good or bad, how you interpret, right? So it looks like it might come down, and again go up, but eventually what can happen, it can come here, it can bounce like this, but once it breaks, there's the big point, right? Because the blue line is the resistance, right? This is the resistance, and as long we are on the left side on this area of the blue line, still I'm not saying this is a breakout, but whenever we will be on the other side, I would say this is a breakout. Now what can happen, I'm not saying it will come back to 80, but this is cryptocurrency, we all know this is very volatile. It comes down and within 15 minutes it can come back. So it's very important to watch the price action, because it might come back to 80 and go up, or it might never come back to 80. Maybe it will bounce back from the current level, which is 100, another important support. And why I'm saying about 100, because I want to show you here, because why 100 is important, I want to show you here, because you can also see that this area, it was a resistance few times, then it bounced up that 100 line few times, came down, and for the recent price action, if you look here, it's bouncing off that 100 line. So I'm not saying it will come back to 80. Maybe this is our support 100 and we go back. So the important thing is what's the plan and what or when I can say this is a breakout. So if it can bounce off that 100 and it goes on the other side of the blue line, the easy one, then we can say it is breaking out the pattern. Or if it comes down, do not worry, it might come back and it might bounce back to 80. So it could take few hours, few days to break out, but I'm very confident it will break out. So watch the price action very carefully. And this is cryptocurrency again, you need to have a very strong stomach so that you can observe the volatility. So let's see the price action. If it comes down, wait for this to come around 80-85 area, you buy more ETC. Or if it bounce back, watch the price action. Now should you buy now? Just the big thing, right? If you're a technical trader and if you are not planning to hold it for a long time, maybe you can do some swing or day trading. In that case, maybe this is important for you to look at the support and resistance. So look at the lines here, right? So currently we are around 100, and you see around 110 we had some resistance. It was support previously, then it became resistance. So from 100 we can easily go to 110 if we are reversing. Or if it comes down, I think it might come down to around 80, and then it can again reverse back to 100. So there is an opportunity for quick swing trade or day trade. And after 110 was the next point I'm looking at. The next point I'm looking around 130, because we tried to break 130, came down. So if it goes up, again it's up to you how you want to play. If you're a long-term holder, definitely does not matter, you just buy and hold. If you're short-term or you want to make some quick gain, then this is very important for you to know the support and resistance. And also if it comes down, if the 80 support is broken, it might come back to 72, or the worst case, if anything bad happens, it can come all the way around 50. And why I'm showing you 50, I never want this to come back to 50, but if it comes to 50, bye, because it was a resistance before, and you see it made some consolidation around this area, then bang, we went up. So in crypto many things can happen, and again very volatile. So for you it is very important to look at the lines here. Currently we are at 100, we could bounce back from here, but important thing is the blue line here, right? If we can go on the other side, then we have 80, 72 and 50. These are the support and resistance, so you know how we should be playing with Ethereum Classic. Now we know about grayscale. This is the ETF, right? Ethereum Classic ETF, and this is their holding update on 14th of May, which was yesterday, Friday. So look at the numbers. The Bitcoin is 32 billion, then the Ethereum Classic is 12 billion, and the number 3 is Ethereum Classic is 1.16, or you can say 1.2 billion. Look at the other coins, it does not matter. So their largest 3 holdings, and number 3 is Ethereum Classic, and this is very good. Also, if you go to their website, you can see 1.2 billion, the trailing 12-month change since inception, and so many things. It is showing that the performance here, how was the performance of this particular ETF, went up and down, so many things. If you want to buy some ETF, then you can also buy from there. Now another article on Forbes. So what's saying? Investors seeking quick gain with Ethereum Classic. So they're saying that the boost is primarily motivated by investors looking for quick gains for Ethereum Classic. Then it also talks about some other things. So some analysts pointed to investor covering borrowed position in the Grayscale Ethereum Classic Trust as placing upward pressure on price. And it also talks the Grayscale has had a ETCG trust in the market that has a 1-year lockup. Many purchases were back in early 2020, and currently this is early 2021. So those shares are becoming available on the market, which forces those who own ETCG to buy spot ETC to cover their loans. This is very important, why the ETC price is going higher. And also talks about potential short covering by Ethereum Classic Trust holders who have a demand to cover borrowed position. And it also has a bullish outlooks. It talks about so many things, because we know about the Ethereum 2.0. so whenever there will be Ethereum 2.0, definitely it will push Ethereum Classic even higher. As Ethereum Classic gets used and tested, we can expect its reputation to build its own value the same way Ethereum has. This will pave the way for a steady climb to 500. The current price is 100, and it is talking about 500. This is a Forbes article. And also the price target, it varies by website to website. I'm showing you the coin price prediction. So their price prediction is mid-year of this year is 384, and year end is 735. By 2025, the mid-year is 2200, the year end is 2300, and by 2032, 6500 and 73. But this is again cryptocurrency. It can change a lot. We know about 3 years back, we had a massive run up, then it was sleeping for 3 years. Now it came back, right? Same thing can happen. It can go up, the thing can continue, then maybe there will be some sell off. So you need to make it long term, 2 to 3 years, if you really want to see to achieve this price target. It talks about the same thing. You see 500. Ethereum Classic price will hit 500 by the end of 2021. So if you compare the two articles I have showed you, this is 500 by end of 2021, and we are at 100. So 5 times profit potential by end of 2021. So I'm showing you the price action, so you know the bottom support. If it comes down, just buy more, or if it break out, you want to make a quick trade, then buy and sell at a higher price. Again, it depends on your mentality, how you want to make profit, but definitely there is profit potential. This is what I want to show you in this particular video. I have been holding ETC, and whenever I see a dip, I'm just buying more, because I'm long on this, and I will hold it till 500 for sure. So anyway, my friend, this is a channel where I cover ETC, ETH, some other cryptocurrencies a lot. So if you are a crypto lover, then definitely please subscribe to my channel, and also if you like this video, please hit the like button. Thank you very much for watching this particular video. Take care and peace.